Hello, and welcome to another episode of Wade's Workshop. Today we're going to be making these little Christmas trees. They make excellent holiday decorations, or if you want to give them away as gifts, they make excellent holiday gifts. All you need to make this is a piece of wood. You can use any kind you'd like. I'm using a piece of 3/4 inch pine. So it's 3/4 inch pine. It's 9 inches wide and 17 inches long. You can make them taller or smaller, depending on what your tastes are, but I think this works out to be a good scale. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is mark the center of the board. I'm doing this for two reasons. The first is that it'll make it much easier to mark the sides and have the top of the tree end up centered. The second reason is to make it much easier to find the center when drilling the hole for the ornament. I'm cutting the sides with my table saw and my new Rockler Crosscut sled. I found this guy in Marketplace. It was brand new and I got it for a great price. Now we're moving over to the drill press, where I have a 4.5 inch hole saw already set up. I put a scrap piece of wood under the tree, and I'm clamping them both down to try to reduce tear out. We want to take care of the cutout because we're going to turn that into the base of the tree. So be gentle when trying to remove it from the hole saw. I'm using a 1/4 inch roundover bit to take the edges off the tree and the stand. You want to round over both sides of the tree, but only one side of the base. Look at that, it's already looking like a tree. Now it's time for everyone's favorite part of the project, sanding. I'm using 120 grit sandpaper on my palm sander, and then I'm going to give the rounded edges a quick hand sanding. It doesn't take much to smooth the edges over. If you're enjoying this video, take a minute to hit that like button. If you'd like to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button. Now's a great time to drill a small hole for the eyelet. If you wait till after you install the stand, it's a lot more difficult. I'm using a bare stain tinted lime grass green for the tree, and a golden oak for the base. You don't have to use stain, paint would also look great. I'm planning to make a few more of different colors to see what sells this year. I really like the way the green stain lets the wood grain show through. It's time to attach the stand to the tree. I'm doing this with some wood glue and a brad nailer. I recommend staining or painting it before assembling the stand, so you don't have to tape off anything to keep the color separate. This tree is really starting to look good. Looks like I have a little bit of glue squeeze out, but that's easy to take care of with a damp rag. I'm installing a small eyelet. It will be used to hold the ornament in place, and I'm using a small piece of Christmas gift wrapping twine to attach the ornament. You could use a small piece of wire to attach it, and it would probably be easier. I think I spent more time tying this knot than I did making the whole tree. Well, with that, we are done with this project. I think it turned out pretty good. I'm planning to release another video next week with a slightly different version of this tree. It'll be a little taller, have multiple ornaments on it. But if you're enjoying watching these projects, please subscribe to the channel and watch for that new one next week. Thank you.